Okay, another rational example, rational inequality, I should say. So the key, again, set the top and the bottom equal to 0. I see people all the time, they'll set this greater than or equal to 0, set this greater than or equal to 0, they'll solve those two inequalities, then they try to put that information together in their answer and it confuses them. So don't do that. Just set them equal to 0 and solve. So x equals -3, x equals 5/3, so add 5, divide 3. So this gives us two critical values, key values, and then I like to just sketch them. So we've got -3 over here, we've got 5/3 here, and let's decide intervals, what's going on? Is stuff in between or stuff outside going to work? Maybe you can decide these key points, because this is greater than or equal. If it was just greater or less, neither one of these values would actually work, and so that would be easy to decide. So the top value will work because it would make it equal 0. So this value here, I'll just do it above. Last video I did it right on the line. I'll do it above. So this one's going to be open because 5/3 would make the denominator 0. So now we need to decide, is it in between or is it outside? Well, how do you tell? Go test a point. I like 0. So 0 is in between here. It's not always, by the way. It depends on these numbers. 0 could be over here. 0 could be over here. But 0 is right here. So 0, 0, that goes away. -3/5. So it's negative. And we get positive out here, positive out here. Again, that's the pattern we're going to see. So for this one, I want greater than 0. Well, that's going to be positive values. So I want this stuff and this stuff. So I'm going to have all of that, and I'm going to have all of that. That just helps me decide so I can write my interval. So -∞ to -3, and we're going to include -3, union 5/3 to infinity. And there's our solution set. Okay, so here's the key steps. Set the top and bottom equal to 0, solve, get those two critical values. Put them on a number line and test your intervals. If it's greater than, it's going to be a union. You're going to do the outside stuff. If it's less than, it's going to be right in the middle. It's going to be an intersection. And then just write the answer in interval notation. Not too bad, I hope.